Like us better when we're wasted.
I feel like I'm in a fucking Tulum over here. Soho House has its own private beach. It's a little windy today, a little rough out there, but I just want to show you guys the view, what we're working with. Woo! Some big waves. Where we at?
Soho House.
Miami. It's a little room tour. Soho House. Don't film in the Soho House. Psych. What we got here? This is nice. Very Soho House vibe. Who's that fucking handsome devil? There he is again. LARRRGE. Miami.
Wait. I'm gonna stare. Okay, got it.
And we're back. Chilled in the fit, babe. Look how pretty she is. Holy shit. Bal Harbour Shops, possibly the nicest mall in America.
Oh, this is really beautiful.
Oh, they knew you were coming, babe. Oh.
You can't see my smile.
How did you like Bal Harbour Mall?
I loved it.
You didn't see anything you liked, though.
No, I didn't see anything I liked.
Name in the book. Alright, right now we're in the Chrome Heart store. She didn't see anything at Fashion Nova, so we're here now. Gonna go shopping a little bit. The store is wild. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if I'm allowed to film in here, but we're gonna film anyways. Baby does Joe's.
Sorry, I made this a big shit.
It looks really pretty. So do you. Aww. Oh, baby. Oh, it looks so cute. 1913. Wow. LARRRGE. Like such a fucking goof. You guys want a bib? Absolutely, yes. Alright, so we're back. You may remember my boy from the Miami vlog.
Just met these guys. The pod 100% believe in the podcast.
There we go.
There we go.
We're back in Miami. He showed up, we showed up.
It's good to see you again, brother.
This podcast is out today. First day of drop. It's a little celebration, technically.
Check it out,
We're gonna get a
bro.
bottle of champagne.
It is. Fuck, we should.
Hey.
This guy's showing up with Louis Vuitton books over here.
when you guys are
What a
out.
gentleman.
Hey,
Follow my
you're a
boy. I'm gonna put the
gentleman.
Instagram tag right here.
You're a gentleman.
Follow him.
Has
Cape Town. This is my African plug, by the way. For everyone asking.
Never gonna get.
It's one of my favorite t-shirts that I own. Seriously, I show this to everybody. Blue shirt, Kanye West from the boy Christian. Thanks Christian, not Kanye.
Hey, thank you.
Legend.
If anything-
Looks good. Never seen this before.
It's the best way to do your eyeliner.
Yeah, that's how I love to do my eyeliner. Shout out to my boy Christian that got us Louis Vuitton little coffee table books. We got the Cape Town edition. So we talked about how badly we want to go check out South Africa and Africa. And then we got the Moscow edition because we also said we want to go to Russia. Finally fucking busting out the vlog camera.
There you go.
Got the boy back in action. He's giving us a little tour today. Where are you taking us?
Little tour in Design District. We're going to Wick Owens.
Fashion Nova,
Oh, boy.
Forever 21.
Soho, H&M.
Check out the drip today though. What do we got on? What do we got on?
This is like a Sunday service kind of outfit, so.
Oh, your shoes are
These
so
are really
cool.
weird. My most hated pair of shoes. These are like a sample pair of Yeezys.
Most hated?
Yeezy
cool,
Scubas.
Yo, that's what he calls them?
Yeah, the Scubas.
Wow.
Like a little sample kind.
Drip. Chloe's looking fire too.
the
Megan,
blue.
I look like a personal trainer.
Outfit looks better today than yesterday.
Second time's a charm.
What?
We're in the design district
That's
today.
so cool.
This parking garage. What the?
Oh, it's like a new electric vehicle.
Holy shit.
I've never seen it in
What?
Yeah.
Thing's electric?
Oh my god, that's kind of scary. So you can take pictures?
You could say that. That's nice. These are the best employees. It says like Coachella, like from Coachella.
Easy scubas. Easy scuba.
It's like,
you look like a burrito.
No, so that's in box, but we do have the prop version.
Stairway to heaven, baby. There you go. My angel. Christian, thanks for having us into your home. I love you. Done with the place.
hey, you know what? I took my guest like, oh, you can sit up here, right? But no, it's actually it's an art gallery.
Oh.
$38. I had an
Miami. I was in you, now I'm out of you. Fucking out of here.
305.
Shout out to the boy.
305 to the day we die, baby.
Another homie tour completed. Another shopping spree
Done.
completed. It's fine, Chloe, don't wait up. It's fine, we're good. So no hotels would let us store our bags because of COVID, so we went to Ramoa because we had a Ramoa, and now she went shopping. She got to buy another Ramoa. See how that worked out? Just store a suitcase, now we need a suitcase.
Got the stuff, here you go. Hey, welcome to Miami.
Thanks. See you later. What are you doing here? If you ever got time to kill before the airport, you need to store your bags. You want to go shopping, go to Ramoa. Store your bag, and then you buy shit. You can buy another bag, another Ramoa, and you can go home. I love this color, babe.
I know, it's so fun. I love
So
it.
cool. I believe they call it Schmoopy Yellow. The best is I'm using the pink one.
Yeah.
Trip's over, babe. New adventure. We're off to LA. Don't you guys just hate us? LA. See you in the sunshine. The gunshine. Ciao. Alright, my brother.
An absolute pleasure.
Always a pleasure. Brother. Thanks very much. Much love. God bless.
God bless.
Ciao. Driver, take me to jail.
No problem.
I wake up extremely early and my wife here does not. Yes, last night she's like, I don't really want to go to the design district.
No, I didn't say
I
that.
hate Christian. I don't want to hang out with him. I hate what he wears.
I never said that, Christian.
I hate how nice he is. I hate what he
I never
wears.
said any of that.
I hate how he dresses better than Zach. I hate it all. So I dragged her ass out of bed and we were here and you said,
I'm happy I got my ass out of bed.
oh,
Because it was so beautiful.
Schmoopy.
Oh, wow.
Finally came, we saw, we conquered. The Adventures of Zoe.